Hey guys! Today we are baking with the one and only
Adley. Hi.
Adley Bumakil. Today we are baking
Japanese cheesecake.
Japanese cheesecake. Images here. Okay. I low-key don't know what we're doing and what's happening. However, I am going to be Adley's little helper. Adley's little helper. Stuck in the chimney, helper.
Okay, so I'm gonna assign you. I want you to separate the eggs from the egg whites. The egg yolks from the egg whites.
Easy as pie. Watch this technique. That's the wrong bowl. Wait, can you put that? We're starting off at a great start.
We're starting off at a great start.
1, 2, 3. I'm getting my hands all over the yolk.
Hello. Your hands are clean, right?
Yeah.
Then it doesn't matter.
5. Did I count 4?
I gave you
5.
5 eggs. I want you to measure the milk up to the half cup.
Half cup? Oh. Oh, say, can you see? Ooh!
What?
Here he is. Now that's a half cup. Is it?
That's a It's a little over, but it's okay.
I'll just drink it.
I'll drop no.
It is over.
Then pour it back.
Okay. I thought I ate. Oh my god.
She says that now.
Girl. Oh my god, she's acting as if they're already eliminated. Cause low-key they are, but
How else are they supposed to react? Oh no, this is a professional, so they just broke like their main piece.
what? Nothing.
Okay.
Oh my god, everyone's is falling.
Fall. Autumn.
The leaves are
Okay. You guys have a sifter, right?
We should.
Okay. So this is a cheesecake mixture: cream cheese, unsalted butter. I don't know if you can see it.
Oh wait, can we? Yes.
Okay. Unsalted butter, a little bit of salt, and milk. And now we are going to sift in. This is 40 grams of all-purpose flour and 15 grams of corn starch. Okay, now things are gonna get a little loud.
Loud.
This is the egg white. Sugar! Sugar! 75 grams of sugar. Okay, so wait till it warms up. So we're going to do is open up a section.
Open up the space, got a lot to say. In your face, got it in your place.
Is that you want
So come pick up your clothes and fuck. And wanna choose. Maybe you are too apart. Right here in each other's arms. Mix that. Wait that.
okay. That goes in.
Jeffrey and Flora will construct a sugar structure onto which their black olive and chocolate and raspberry on raspberry shoe buns will be stuck. Are you using any more?
Wow. Just leave that in there.
Yeah. I'm so scared. It came out pretty easily, so.
Hello.
Oh, it's so creamy. It's like a custard. I'm happy.
Okay.
Do you not like it?
Mmm.
You don't like it?
Let me take another bite.
Huh?
Let me take another bite.
Okay. You don't like it. I'm sad. Whatever. Stop eating in front of the camera. You're embarrassing me.
Okay, I'm editing the video now, and in my defense, it tasted like warm cream cheese. And, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it tasted like warm cream cheese. And usually when you eat cheesecake, it's cold. Like, cheesecake is cold. And so it just wasn't my cup of tea at the time. However, when it cooled down, it tasted really delicious, sadly. But yeah, also in the outro, you can only see our chins, so apologies for everything. Bye. Okay.